This video is to diagnose and repair headlights or side lights that are not working on a Q1 Hummer. Once you got the footplate off and you've accessed the internals of the chassis here, you always want to play it safe here and unplug this point here at the yellow spot. It's always just absolutely crucial you take that out to be safe when you're working around electronics. And then to identify the wires that are running the headlight and the side light, you're going to see wires running through that come from this spot here, which is where your switch is to turn your lights off and on. And it's easy to just kind of work this up and run your way back and expose this cluster of wires right here. And the ones you're looking for are right here. This one is just for the headlight. It's 3 wires. It is red, black, and green. The black one you can't quite, my phone quite isn't picking that up. But that's the headlight, and with both cases, what will happen here is one of these wires will work its way out of the harness itself, so it needs to be pushed back in, and you can just electrical tape it. Or once in a while, I've seen it a few times, this battery shifts in the chassis and it actually crunches this and it damages the harness. In that case, all you have to do, a pretty simple repair, is just cut these off, splice the wires, and then combine them together, and you should be good to go. The side rail lights run off of a separate wiring, which is right here, which is green, black, red. Again, you'll see it twice. This one's easy to identify as well because it connects to this set of 2 wires, this red and black power, and then green, green, black. These break off and run to the lights on the sides directly. You can kind of see one maybe right down here a little bit, but you'll see it exiting the sidewall right to it. So you can also work your way backwards, go from the side light up to this wiring and find the grouping. And my guess is you will probably pretty easily identify what's going on once you find these 2 locations. Once, of course, you've fixed that repair, plug these back in, you'll see a little spark. Don't let that worry you, that's okay. And also note, you will find, or you'll see, some wires that don't go anywhere inside of the scooter. I don't have any of them sticking out right now, but that's perfectly normal. The company uses a standard controller for all of their models, so not every set of wiring has a purpose in every single scooter. So don't let that concern you whatsoever. Once you make that repair, put everything back together and you're good to go.